How you doing? Dave Rodinelli here with MarineMax Danvers, Massachusetts, and today I'm going to take you aboard 2019 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. Starting at the aft, this boat has the brand new Mercury 250 Verados. This boat comes standard with the transom fold-out seat that easily stores away, and this boat also has the optional port side seat, which again stores away very easily. We have two fish boxes, both port and starboard. Those both have macerators, and directly below you is the pump room, and that has all your batteries centrally located. And this also is going to give you a designated area for your cable that stores here with your post. Moving forward, we've got plenty of storage here on the starboard side for two 5-gallon buckets. On the port side, we've got a very nice seat here. You can sit facing forward, or you can just place this back and forth. We've got a nice footrest here so you can sit facing aft. We've got plenty of storage here for tackle, 3 drawers. Here you've got a nice lounger, and this seat removes, and you do have a hideaway table here that works nicely for if you're entertaining or eating lunch. This boat has the half windshields, and there is a full enclosure, and that does store above head and our bladder bag here. You've got 2 forward full windows, no canvas, no blind spots, very nicely finished. Here at the helm, this boat has the Ray Marine electronics package, GPS, chop plotter, as well as radar. And it also has your digital Mercury Smartcraft gauge here, which will give you all your engine management. Fusion radio, spotlight, and Lenco trim tabs with LED indicators to show you where they are. And of course here you've got your DTS, digital throttle and shift. Really, really nice to run the boat. Moving down into the cabin of the 285. Forward, you've got a nice V-berth here. This table does open up, and this table very easily stores down. And the cushions fill in to make this a full-size bed comfortable for 2 adults. Port side, you've got a galley, refrigerator, single burner stove, as well as a microwave. And forward, you've got a digital thermostat for the air conditioning heat, as well as your fusion radio. Hot and cold sink here. And starboard side, you've got a full head, hot and cold shower that pulls out of the sink, as well as a vacuum flush toilet with overboard discharge. Below in the back, you do have an aft cabin for 2 adults. And above head, you've got a small flat screen TV to watch DVDs on. Again, Dave Rodinelli with MarineMax Danvers, Massachusetts. You can reach me at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.